Stop building toy projects and start building a business. Today on Questra, we're shipping Summa Video AI. This isn't just a UI, it's a production-ready SaaS that turns any YouTube link into smart chapters, downloadable PDF reports, and a deep context AI brain you can chat with. Best part? It's built for monetization from day one. I've engineered this master prompt to force Gemini to scaffold the exact UI and logic we need. It uses Tailwind CSS for the styling and GSAP for those buttery smooth animations you saw in the intro. Paste it into Gemini and watch the magic happen as it builds the entire front end and the summarization engine logic in seconds. Now we need the brain. We're using Gemini 2.5 Flash model because it's incredibly fast and, best of all, free for our tier. Go to Google AI Studio, hit Get API key, and copy that string. This is what allows our app to watch and understand the YouTube videos. Now, don't waste time hunting through hundreds of lines of code. Just tell Gemini, update the code with this API key, and paste your key. Gemini will do the heavy lifting, injecting the credentials exactly where they need to go so the connection is seamless. Time to go live for free. We're using InfinityFree. Create your account, choose your subdomain, and head into the control panel. Quick Online File Manager and enter the htdocs folder. Stop! Do not delete index2.html. It keeps your domain alive during the initial setup. Just click the new file icon, name it exactly index.html, and paste the entire code from Gemini. Hit save. In just a few seconds, your global SaaS is live. And we are live! A professional AI SaaS built in minutes for $0. You have a tool that summarizes videos, creates chapters, and lets users chat with content. If this added value to your journey, hit that like button and subscribe to Questra for more high-level builds. See you in the next one.